Hello guys, how are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope you guys are doing fine. So today we are going to make or to program a Mac changer in Python. All right, we're going to use subprocess. I recommend you guys check uh, this website, all right, kairosf.com. I never saw this guy, but I found more useful than the documentation in Python. But well, I recommend you also to read in Python. All right, you can just type in Google subprocess Python, and then you receive a link with the documentation. You can check everything over there. So to start, we are going to use our user bin environment and then Python. All right. Here we set up where is Python installed. In this case, I'm using Ubuntu 20.4.04. So now we are going to import subprocess. All right. Done. We import it. Now we have a few ways to do that. We can make a variable interface, and then we can set up. If you guys check over here, I'm going to ef config. Here I have I am using a VMware, so I have ENS33, ENS38, and hello, but no, I just need 38 or 33. What we can do from here, ENS33, right? And then we are going to set up like new Mac equal, and then here we can add our new Mac address, right? Or Mac changer. So 22, 33, AA. 455. Well, I think I put one. I put one more than I should. So yeah, here, 36, perfect. Now we are going to call subprocess call. Subprocess call is going to call ef config. All right. Instead, we are going here. We came here and say, hey, ef config ens33 down. We are going to set up this over here. So interface, all right, and then plus and then double quotes down. What's going to happen? This is going to call the function to take down the interface, all right, the ENS33 interface. Here we're going to set up the shell as true. We need this shell as true. So let me put here a little bit. I think I'm going to use some more. So let's hear. So now subprocess.call, right, config. Here we are going to set up the interface plus HW from hardware header. All right, so it's going to write let me just here, yep, and then we are going to set up a new Mac, right? So here also we're going to set up shell equal true. Perfect. Now we're going to look at this moment. Subprocess. At this moment, we already took down the either ENS33 interface and applied the new MAC address. So now we have to put it up. So I'm going to do config All right, learn double quotations. Yep. Plus interface plus Jesus, here interface. Now up. It's going to restart the link and set it up. So up shall equal true. Okay. Let's save it. All right, I'm going to save as mac.py. Okay. So here I'm going to give a permission to execute sudo chmod x, right? Mac.py. My password, all right. So if you guys check over here, we have mac.py here. So now it's sudo python 3, right? mac.py. Oh, as bin sh user bin env.python. Let me take from here. Let's see if it's going to work like that. So yeah, we don't need to set it up. So bins config. Oh, of course, ef config. Actually, my bad, guys, my bad. So ef, because you're going to use here the network interface, so ef config. All right, so all right, done. All right, ef config. Here we have ENSS33. The header is our new MAC address 00112233AA44, as the same as here. So what we can do to make it more dynamically, we can use the input in Python. Okay, so come here, interface equal input. All right, so let's do it this kind of I like to do some fancy stuff. So enter the interface. All right, so here is going to ask for you to enter the interface, and here input we are going to use to add our new MAC address. So enter the new MAC address. Done. What if I want to print this after configuring the new MAC address? Oh, I want to see this new MAC address, right? To confirm I inserted the right one. So print the new MAC address is, right, plus new MAC. Okay, done. So let's save it, Control L, then back over there. Here, enter the interface, ENS33. Right, enter the new MAC address, right? 001A 3F 44457 and CC. Let's see if it's going to work. Yes, so if we check here, ef config, here's our new MAC address. All right, 001A3F4457CC. Oh, okay, but what I can do with MAC address if you're using if you're making a pen test in some network that is blocked by MAC address and you get some addresses MAC address from the computers or the network devices, you can use one of these MAC address to bypass the security for this network. All right. So this is one of the ways to get inside some network. Doesn't matter if it's wireless or with cable. So it doesn't matter if it's a WAN or LAN. All right. So yeah, that's it for now. Next video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a network scanner to scan devices on the network and get the IP address and the MAC address. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. All right. And if you like it, so subscribe to my channel and give me a like on this video. All right. Thank you. Bye.